Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to view your time spent watching YouTube videos on Android. YouTube aims to keep users engaged with continuous content playback, but the feature could potentially lead to wasting time. Monitoring how often you use the app and for how long can promote better managing your screen time. We will walk through viewing statistics on YouTube time watched for your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Look for Time Watched and tap to access your watch history and statistics. Options for reviewing YouTube time include details on hours spent watching videos over the past day, week, and month. Breakdowns provide insight into how long you use the app each day of the week. Determining if you spend too much or too little time enjoying YouTube content depends on personal preferences and responsibilities. However, some may benefit setting limits or reminders. In your Time Watched section, tap Set a Reminder to prompt taking a break from the app after a set period. Select the length of time for which you want to refrain from using YouTube. Doing so could help maintaining a healthy balance between entertainment and productivity. Adjusting additional settings may also promote better managing time watched. Tap the triple dots in the top right corner, then Remind me to take a break, Autoplay, and Autoplay on Home to review options and make changes as needed. Options allow enabling or disabling automatic video progression to control how YouTube plays content without interaction. Adjust settings to match your goals for balancing enjoyment and responsibility. In summary, to view your time spent watching YouTube on Android, open the YouTube app, tap the profile icon, select Time Watched, then view statistics on hours used over the past day, week, and month. Setting a reminder to take a break or adjusting additional settings helps promoting a good balance between entertainment and productivity. Let me know if you have any other questions on managing time watched, setting limits, or customizing YouTube preferences. I can provide additional guidance on options available in the app. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions.
We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more. Stay safe.